Is this a real type of cough syrup? It sure is. Let's go ahead and take a look. And here we go. Page 102. You're going to get all the pertinent information, ingredients needed, as well as notes, step-by-step instructions on how to create it, as well as dosage. But you're also going to learn about this cough syrup, this mustard plaster, these tasty honey lemon ginger cough drops, and over 200 more amazing recipes that your grandmother probably used back in the day. This is called the Forgotten Home Apothecary. 250 powerful remedies at your fingertips, and I think this is an excellent resource everybody should have in their home. I'll drop it in the orange shopping cart for you to pick up below.